don't condemn aspirations to early graves. Aspirations never die, they have to be addressed. So what doesn't die cannot be buried. It will snowball into a problem, much more monstrous problem in the years to come. We in this house have a duty that we address these aspirations in a manner that our future generations don't have to pay for it. And I'll tell you, I will stop and say that this looks more like a love letter to the BJP rather than LG's address. I would expect a good LG's address with amendments rather than this love letter. उसको आपने डायरेक्टली भेजी हुई है एक असेंबली से भी. With these words, I thank you and I thank the members for not interrupting me.
Shri Shaktiraj Paiha.